So let's talk about some of the factors that are involved with potential energy. First up, we'll be talking about mass and gravity, followed by the acceleration of gravity, and finally by height, right? So remember that the mass is the amount of matter in an object, and weight, when we say that, is a force, right? Is equal to your weight is equal to your mass times your gravity, right? All objects with mass are attracted towards each other by a force known as gravity. The larger the masses, the more that they are attracted to each other. Gravity is the only force we are aware of which acts over the entire universe. We are attracted to all of the masses in the universe, and they are attracted to us. Gravity's attraction becomes weaker the further two objects are apart. So we really only experience one strong gravitational attraction force, which is towards the nearest and largest mass, and that is the Earth, right? And this attraction between two masses, I believe, is an inverse square relationship between the distance. So it does decrease quite rapidly as objects get further apart. Okay. Acceleration of gravity. All objects with mass are attracted downwards towards the Earth's enormous mass by gravity. Actually, we're attracted towards the center of the Earth, but we say towards the surface, right? This attraction causes all objects to accelerate towards the Earth in what is known as the acceleration of gravity. Right? So despite what common sense tells you, the acceleration of gravity does... Oh, my pen's jammed up here. Does not depend on mass. All objects accelerate towards the Earth at the same rate, right? And in class I was going to show you a video of this large vacuum where this is demonstrated, but I will post a link to the video below this one. Okay. Finally, the height of an object above the Earth's surface determines how much potential energy there is. That won't fit in this line. How much potential energy there is within the object. Okay. The Earth's surface is considered to be at 0 meters. Right. So the greater the height above the Earth's surface, the more potential energy an object has because of the acceleration of gravity will act on it for a longer time, right? And it will gain more kinetic energy, right? Because it's falling further, it's going to gain more velocity, right? The further it travels, right? Hence, if you have two pianos above the Earth's surface, one is 5 meters above, the other one's 10 meters above, which one has greater potential energy? Well, the one that is higher up. They do have the same mass. They experience the same acceleration because they're both on Earth, and the acceleration is due to gravity. That's your 9.81 meters per second. But this one, the one higher up, have greater potential energy, right? Because it has greater height. It will fall for a longer distance, giving it more chance to increase its velocity, right, and increasing the kinetic energy, right? The standard unit for height is in meters, which is abbreviated with an M.